Just arrived another trailer load, truckload of Polaris, Watercraft, and Snowmobile engines. 2-stroke, 4-stroke, 1200 fuel injected Watercraft, 1200 carb, 1050 carb, 900 carb, 1200 cases. Here we have a Polaris FST, basically an FST 4-stroke, 750 800 Weber engine with a turbo on it. Here's a new crate motor. There's another crate motor there too for FSTs. The only difference between an FS and an FST is the pistons, the cylinder head, and the turbo. If you have any questions on what these engines will work in, you can give us a call at 218-844-4968 or on the web at martosmotorsports.com. We also got in a Polaris 800 engine and a 04 MSX 150 turbo 4-stroke engine for Watercrafts. Lot number on this is 1413 or 1362. 1362 meaning Watercraft, 1413 meaning snow.